This land holds great beauty. How far to the crime scene?
Well, I've been instructed to bring you first to the consulate, which should be beyond those trees, on the other side of the jungle, so we'll have to circle around.
Steering's a little loose. Alignment's off, too.
Mr. Ventura!
Oh, you, pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. And our pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Hi, everybody go on chitty chitty weedy pan. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our pan for standard pan. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our fine for standard. Chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah! The consulate!
Oh, thank God!
If I can just find a parking spot.
Perhaps we should slow down just a teensy-weensy bit?
Nonsense, poopy pants!
We're going a bit far! Really? Look out!
Yay, keg!